The best desk lamps take full advantage of LED lighting technology, creating lamps that are both stylish and energy efficient. The great quality of light you receive from LED makes these lamps enjoyable to use anytime you need a bit of extra light. Today, let's take a look at the best desk lamps to buy in 2019. Number 1. Taotronics Metallic Lamp. This Taotronics lamp is your desk's best friend. It has 6 levels of brightness and 5 different light temperatures: 2700 to 3000 K warm light, a 3000 to 3500 K soft light, a 4000 to 4500 K natural light, a 5000 to 5500 K daylight, and a 6000 to 6500 K cool white light. Plus, it can reach up to 1200 lux, making it Taotronics' brightest lamp yet. And thanks to its advanced memory setting, you can save your favorite temperature and brightness setting, so you can quickly flip on the perfect lighting, whether you're reading a book or typing a report. The lamp has a classy, yet modern look that's both stylish and functional. The base, head, and neck are all rotatable, so you can adjust to all angles depending on your activity. Conveniently, the base also has a USB port to let you charge up your mobile device while burning the midnight oil. Number 2. BenQ Screen Bar Plus. This desk lamp or screen bar is way smarter than other lamps on the list. The BenQ Screen Bar Plus e-reading lamp is essentially a high-quality LED strip that is designed to sit on top of your monitor. Featuring reflectors, which limit the spectrum of the light to a very tight beam, it is designed to eliminate the glare coming off of your screen and also improve the contrast and colors of the panel while fully illuminating your desk to a cozy 500 lumens. The BenQ Screen Bar Plus e-reading lamp arrives in a premium packaging in a box fit for a keyboard. The bar itself is sleek and stylish and can easily perch on most modern LCD displays. Setting it up isn't too much of a hassle. You just need to remove the electric sticker from the controller and plug it into the PC. The light color temperature is controllable from 2700K all the way to 6500K. The auto dimming feature uses the light sensor located on the controller to dynamically adjust the lighting intensity depending on the ambient light from about 300 lumens to 500 lumens. And I have to say, if you have a wood or grain textured table, the BenQ screen bar will make it look absolutely gorgeous. That said, any specks of dust on your peripherals will become glaringly visible as well. So if you want this fancy looking bar, you better not slack off when it comes to desk cleaning. Number 3. Lightblade 1500S. As LED lamps continue to grow in popularity, thanks to their energy-saving benefits, the Lightblade 1500S is a superb combination of looks and performance with an omnidirectional pivoting head that enables complete control over the direction of light. The LED light bulbs mean just 1 watt of power is used at the lowest brightness and 8 watts at the maximum brightness, producing a total of 1100 lux of brightness overall. In addition to a USB port for charging a smartphone, the lamp also has capacitive sensors that are directly incorporated into the base of it, so it's touch-friendly. The total brightness of the lamp results in a color rendering index of 90 CRI, which is just below the 100 CRI product of the natural sunlight. The CRI itself helps to determine the lamp's ability to accurately display any desk-based object full color underneath the lamplight. Number 4. BYB E430. The swinging desk arm of the BYB E430 LED desk lamp offers a functional lighting that's uniquely and solidly designed, featuring a highly adjustable clamp that can be attached to the edge of any desk. There's a memory function for separate lighting modes and 6 different dimming modes to help suit any mood. The incorporated touch panel helps adjust each of the lighting and dimming modes. while the 144 included LED bulbs use 80% less energy than conventional bulbs, which allows for a lifespan of more than 50,000 hours. Beyond energy efficiency, BYB took great effort to help protect the user's eyes with an innovative light guide panel that helps prevent light flickering and harmful glares. Ultimately, this design features means a less fatiguing experience overall. Number 5. BenQ E Reading LED Desk Lamp. BenQ's dedicated e-reading and reading desk lamp is the perfect addition to the office of any engineer, architect, or even for students with late-night study habits. The inclusion of BenQ's lighting technology offers LED panels that are good for more than 50,000 hours, or 8 hours a day of lighting every day for the next 17 years. Beyond lifespan, BenQ incorporated zero flicker technology for a flicker-free experience that won't harm your eyes or induce fatigue. The built-in ambient sensor offers multiple different touches on the control ring to automatically detect the brightness level of a room and adjust brightness accordingly. When it comes to positioning, the ball joint base helps you find the angle you need for the best reading experience. You can check out the review we did on the BenQ Screen Bar Plus. Click the info card at the top right. Thanks for watching.